welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and as you can tell I have a new camera and it's so freaking excited. It's 4K so you can see all my pores. Anyway, today's video is the BEAUTYLISH Lucky Bags unboxing. So pretty much what a lucky bag is, it is inspired by the Japanese New Year tradition of Fukubukuro. I'll write that here because I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. They are offering mystery bags full of the most coveted products for 2017. And yeah, so I signed up for early access and it arrived today, and it's coming in this beautiful paper, as you can see there. It's just so cute, and I have no idea what is in this, so I'm really excited for that. I think I might unbox it next to me on the bed, so whew. Alrighty, so you can see it next to me here, and all the other things along here. So let's open her up. So I don't know which way. It's so hot here, by the way. It's so absolutely hot. So we'll open this up, and there's like a lot of tissue paper, and then, yep, no, that's tissue paper as well, so is that. So all of the things are in here, so let's open them up. I have no idea what's in here, so this is really exciting. So let's see. Alrighty, let's see if this is worth all the money. So this is the items here. Oh, doesn't look like much, if I'll be honest. Let's pull out the first thing here. So this is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. So that looks like that would be really good. Let's give it a wee swatchy on the hand and have a look. And that is approximately this price here. List that down below. And let's see. Oh, it's got a safety cap. Oh, I hate when things have safety caps and you're just like, oh, I gotta like get it out. Okay. Alrighty, let's see. So the idea of this is that, oh my god, that is so good though. That is so good. So the idea of this is that it is a mystery box. You don't know what's in there. It's just the most coveted item. So this must be a well brought item. I will lay it out flat here. So let's put her there. So there's the primer there. And then we've got a fan brush, which is by Wayne Goss. So very bougie, very bougie. And let's see how it feels. It's even got a little like, doesn't feel too bad. Feels like it would be good for my highlight, so that's quite nice. So that's cool, like a makeup brush, yep. Still not like $90 worth. And then what do we have here? Charlotte Tilbury makeup bag, the first edition. So I mean, that's pretty cool. Oh, I didn't show my brush off. So that is it there. And then this bag here, I feel like you're paying for the name sort of thing for this bag. So it's a very cute love hearts, and then it says give a woman the right makeup and she can conquer the world. So it's a pretty cute bag. It's pretty decently sized as well, like that's the size of my face, so it's pretty decently sized. So I'll pop that one there and then open this one up. So this is a Jouer long wear lip topper with coconut oil. So that's that one there. And this is in a shade Skinny Dip. So this is actually a colour I have been wanting for a while, so that's really exciting. It is actually their best shade. And I've got the Jeffree Star version there. So that is it there. It is so pretty. I'm actually so excited for this. Like, look how pretty. That is so good. That is so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm excited about that. And they're normally like, I'll list the exact price here, but they're normally a good amount of money. So let's pop her there. And then let's open up this one here. Oh, okay. Okay, I see you, money. All right. So this is the Natasha Denona Glow All Over Glow Face and Body Shimmer Powder. So this is it here. And then let's open her up. This is in shade medium because I asked what like your skin one is. Oh my god, this looks fancy as. You can see literally everything. Oh, okay. Don't know if it's really my color to be fair, but we'll see. And then I'll give it a wee swatch here. So it's very, very pretty. I feel like I could not wear that as a highlight, but definitely a very bougie eyeshadow. Yeah, it's a face and body shimmer and powder, and I just feel like that's way too dark for me. Imagine that as a highlight. I don't think so, but nevertheless, does actually, do you hear that? It sounds cheap to me, even though I know Natasha Denona is a very coveted, expensive makeup brand. So let's put that there. And then this last one here is a Vise Art Professional Makeup. It's a makeup palette. I'm like, where's the eyeshadow palettes at? Like, come on. Alright, let's open this up. So this is Vise Art Professional Makeup on there. And my camera autofocuses without any sound, so that's exciting. Alright, oh! So it is eyeshadows. There we go. Let's open these up and see how good they are. If you guys want a review on this palette, then comment down below. That's it there, and let's give it a wee... Oh! These are... Oh! Okay, look at that. That is insane. Let's switch another one. Ooh! That is nice. I really, really like that one. Okay, okay. So, yep. No, I'm happy with that one there. So that is all we have there that is actually in there. I didn't look at the inside of this. It's just black. So we've got the eyeshadow, the bag, this highlighter that I'll never use because it is way too dark. This is a primer, so that's good. It's like you pretty much your whole face. A nice makeup brush to do with that. And then we've got the lip topper there. So pretty much a whole face and a nice bag to put it all in. Okay, here's the real tea now. Personally, would I buy this again? No, I wouldn't. I mean, I know that some of the products in here were expensive, and you know, they are what they are, and I feel like really I was just paying for a name. I'm kind of disappointed, to be quite honest. This stuff in here, I'll probably use the lip topper. The lip topper I'm stoked about. I have been meaning to buy. But in the eyeshadow palette, yeah, that's exciting. Everything is so expensive, but I wouldn't buy it normally. But I guess it's the fun of it. I don't want to seem too disappointed, but yeah, definitely I would not buy any of this stuff except the Skinny Dip. I have primers I love. I will use that primer because that primer does feel amazing. And don't get me wrong, these shadows do feel nice and they do look like they are nice, but I've got all these colours and palettes. I don't need another eyeshadow palette. Yeah, so I guess I was just paying for a face and a name, and unfortunately that's what you get for like $89, which in New Zealand dollars pretty much doubles. So I know that the eyeshadow palette itself was actually $80 US because I just looked up the pricing now because like an idiot I didn't look up the normal pricing before. And I feel like, yeah, it does pretty much make up for the price of the Lucky Bags, but to be quite honest, I wouldn't have brought that stuff before. I mean, it is kind of cool that I've got something so expensive, and it is definitely worth the money, but it's just not necessarily stuff that I would buy. So it's worth the money, definitely, but it's not stuff that I would pick out myself and buy, except, of course, the Skinny Dip. So there we go. Yeah, I mean, I can always re-gift these. I would never pay for them. So to be honest, I'm quite disappointed with these Lucky Bags. I suppose, yeah, it is, you know, the luck. The official statement says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. So, I mean, it's cute. It's a cute little gimmicky thing, but then again, I just think it's a gimmicky thing. I am not 100% happy, probably like 30% happy. I am kind of disappointed in what was in there. And yeah, I just wouldn't buy this stuff normally. So it's a big from me. So that's quite disappointing. But I mean, it is what it is. I paid for it. Now I know. And if you guys are thinking about buying the Lucky Bags, it's one of the items that were in there. I don't know if they mix it up or if it's all the same thing, but I don't think it's worth it, to be quite honest, which I was really, I'm really disappointed by, but I honestly, there's like nothing much in there. Like, it's just expensive stuff. Like, there's not lots of cool little things. It would have been cool if they put all these little things together in like an eyeshadow palette and then like lipstick and all this stuff, but all these like heaps of it like in there. That would have been really cool, but instead it's just bougie, expensive things that doesn't, you know, yeah, it's cool, but I like lots of little things. Maybe it's just not for me, maybe it is for you, but yeah, that's my honest review, and honestly, I'm not that stoked. So, yeah. Sorry about that, guys, but hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you're still here and hearing my rant, then hello, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you. And anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!